Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our guide on how to make every woman notice you. Today, we'll provide a detailed point-by-point explanation of the secrets to catching everyone's attention. 1. Grooming and style. The first step towards making every woman notice you is to prioritize grooming and style. Pay attention to your personal hygiene, maintain a well-groomed appearance, and dress to impress. Remember, confidence starts with how you present yourself. 2. Body language and confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and project positivity through your body language. Embrace your strengths, be authentic, and believe in yourself. This will instantly grab the attention of those around you. 3. Active listening and engaging conversations. To make every woman notice you, be a great listener. Show genuine interest in what others have to say and engage in meaningful conversations. Avoid dominating discussions and instead, encourage others to share their thoughts. This demonstrates respect and creates a lasting impression. 4. Sense of humor. Laughter is infectious, and it can certainly make you stand out in a crowd. Develop a sense of humor that resonates with others. Sharing funny anecdotes or witty remarks will make you memorable and captivate the attention of every woman. 5. Displaying kindness and empathy. Kindness never goes unnoticed. Display empathy, compassion, and lend a helping hand whenever possible. Small acts of kindness can leave a profound impact on those around you, making you instantly attractive and approachable. 6. Pursue your passions. To make every woman notice you, pursue your passions with enthusiasm. When you're engaged in something you love, it radiates positive energy and proves that you can be passionate and dedicated. This inevitably draws attention and admiration. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to make every woman notice you. Remember, it's not about changing who you are but unlocking your true potential. Follow these tips, be genuine, and showcase the best version of yourself. The impact will be remarkable.